Alright guys, hello and welcome. My name is dannysgraphix. I'm a graphic designer. Alright, so in this video I'll be explaining the interface, Pixellab interface. Alright, okay, so I'll explain how you can navigate your way through the Pixellab interface. Alright, so if this is the first time you're hearing about Pixellab, okay, Pixellab is a design software you can use in creating stunning designs. Alright, so what you do is that it's only available to Android users. Okay, it's not available to iPhone users like iOS, only Android. Alright, so you just go to a Play Store, search for Pixellab. Yeah, network. Okay, you can see Pixellab text and pictures. So once you just do, you just tap on it, then you install it. Okay, so now let's go check what's it called, the features. Alright, so you can see about this app: easily draw, add simple 3D text and stickers, and edit your images for free. Alright, so we're going to go through these features one after the other. I'll explain to you where each and every tool is, the text, the 3D text effect, and then all that. Alright, so let's go to Pixellab. Okay, so once you open your Pixellab now, yeah, I'm using a what's it called, a pro version. So but once you open on the background will be blue, it will be like this. Okay, so the first one we're gonna list is what's it called, text, right? Text. Okay, so text, you can see this a icon, this a icon here at the bottom of your screen. You can see this a icon. Alright, so what you just do, you just tap on it, then you tap on the plus. Okay, you just tap on the plus, then you can create a text. Okay, you can see new text here, you just create a text. Or you can see at the top of your screen there, you can see at the top of your screen there's a plus icon at the top of the screen as well. Okay, so what you just do, you just tap on that one too, you tap on text, then you see if you can create a text. Okay, so you see edit, you change your text to let's say, okay, Pixellab, and change the text to Pixellab. Okay, you want to increase the size, you just drag it from the edges, drag from the edge to increase the size. Alright, so sorry, you can see delete to delete text, to copy, and then duplicate the text. You can copy multiple times, as many times as you want. And you see this should I say, is a curve. When you highlight the text, there's this curve on that for you to rotate the text. Okay, so for you to rotate the text, this one to front, to back, or so on. Relative position is to align it properly to the center or right, any way you want to align it to. You can see to increase size. Color, you already know what color does now. White gradient is a combination of two or more different colors. Okay, so gradient is a combination of two or more different colors. Now this is it. So let me I want to create a gradient, and the first color I want to make sure blue and red. Okay, so let me call it, just want it to be blue. Just select blue, red. You can see the text is blue and red. Alright, so that's what gradient does, it makes different colors. Texture is to use a particular image or background as the color for the text or any image you're using. Opacity is to reduce the brightness. Rotate, I already showed you what rotate does. Mask is to cut out part of the image. You can see what is in here. If I press good now, it has cut out part of the text I'm using. Then font is to change the writing. Okay, so once you install it, you just tap on fonts. Look at it, fonts, to change the writing. Alright, so you can try different fonts once you install your own. You might not necessarily have this ones I have here, and with time maybe I'll show you how to import fonts into your gallery. Okay, so style for bold, italic, and underlined. If you want to underline them, if you want to cancel them, you just press this T with the stroke there. Okay, curve, the curve. Okay, this is what curve does, right? Background, to give the text its own personal background, but me I don't really use it that much. Align, this one is when you have long text. When you have a long text, okay, that's when you use them. That's when you use this align. So either align everything into the left, right, or the center. stroke. That's its effect. That's its effect. Alright, so 3D text, to make the text look like 3D, you can increase the depth, but if you increase it too much, it makes it look like text is breaking. So anything you're doing, you increase it with Y oblique, the same 3D text, but it's like, should I say, is it what's it called? Vertical. Okay, the perspective is horizontal. So a reflection, to create a reflection of your text. Shadow, I'm saying this again, is creating a shadow under the Pixellab, making it look like it's on a floor or something. Let me just change the background to white so you see what I'm saying. To change the background to white, see where it's up here. You can see this tag icon here. Okay, so you just tap on it, then you tap on color. Tap on color. Let me just change. You can tap the plus icon if you want to select a customized color. Okay, so you can see this Pixellab is looking like it's on the floor. Alright, so I've explained all about text. Let me just explain background completely here. So you can see color transparent. This is mostly if you're designing a logo and you want to export it, so you can use in a different flyer or something. That's when you use transparent more. Okay, so let me go back to white color. Transparent, then image from gallery. Okay, so if you want to use an image for your gallery from your gallery as the background, you tap on from gallery. Okay, you select the image you want to use as the background. Let me just browse one here. Okay, I love this here. Okay, let's not use this one for the background. Use this one. Okay, so I can use that one for the background. You can choose to reduce the brightness. You see, after that stack icon, there's one kind of like, should I say, a wand icon. You tap on it, you go to brightness. You reduce the brightness of the background if it's too bright for you, or increase it if it's too dark. You can see contrast. All these ones are just to edit background. All these ones are just for you to edit the background. Alright, for me, I don't really like using fixed background. What I do is that I import the image I want to use for background and then use it to design directly from there. Okay, so that's that for text and background. I already explained 3D text. I explained text effects there. Background, text color. I already explained text color, text font, stickers. Okay, let me show you where these stickers are. So if you go to this center, this icon here, go here. Okay, once you just tap on it, you see stickers here. You tap on stickers. Okay, then you can select the sticker you want to use in your design. Alright, you can select any sticker at all you want to use for your design. While if you look closely at the top here, sorry, let me just go change this background to white so you see what I'm doing. Okay, so back to stickers. If you tap on stickers, you look close at the top, you see one white something there, and we call that less flare. Okay, if you tap on this good icon, it won't show there. You see it as what's it called? It has vanished from there. It won't be there again. So what you do, if you want to use them for design, you tap on it, then you just tap on your screen. You see it's still there. Alright, so less flare. I'll actually explain how to use less flare later. Okay, so you see less flare. There's another one again. Let me look for it. Sorry. Yeah, and you might have to download less flare for yourself when you install Pixellab, because the version you'll be using is the normal version. I'm using the Pro. Okay, you can see different type of less flare here. You can see them here. You can see all these less flares here. Okay, all these ones, anytime you see them, there are less flares. Okay, less flares call them. Alright, so that's that about that. Import image from a gallery. You can see import here. You tap on import. Select the image you want to import. Fix it. Okay, you can reduce the size and all that. Say crop to cut out part of the image. Let me want to cut out this guy's leg. Okay, that's what crop does, to cut out part of the image. You already know what copy does, to duplicate. While this to front and to back, let's say I want to take this text to the back of Pixellab. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just press it to back. But to back will take you to the back of every other element that was there before you brought that element there. Alright, so what I would advise to do, you see at the top here, let me show you. You see at the top here, this icon, this start icon here. You just tap on it. Once you tap on it, now you select any one you want to carry to back. Okay, you see this lens flare, or okay, let me carry this one. Let me try to bring this one to the front back. Okay, you see, look at this dots here. You see these dots here, you tap on it, you tap on that dot area. You can see once you tap on the dot area, you can move the element to any part you want it to be. If I want it to be under this Pixellab, or if I want it to be under the lens flare, I can do that. But if I just press to back once, it will take you to the back of every other element that was there before. Alright, so that's that. Okay, so what's next? Shapes. Okay, shapes, you can see different shapes: square, circle, semicircle, triangle, right angle, triangle, star, and all that. Okay, so the radius, increase the radius to, you can the edges. Okay, you can increase the curve of the edges. Alright, so opacity, you already know, to reduce the visibility and all that. You know what color does, you know what gradient does already. Stroke width, I already explained that to you. Okay, so if you want to increase it, you can see, you can tap on the plus icon, or you drag it to your hand. The opacity is also to reduce the visibility of the stroke width as well. Stroke color, let's want to change to yellow or red. You just tap on stroke color and does that. This one is to show like the edges of the stroke, how you want it to be. If I zoom in closely, you see, I want it to be like this, or curved, or like this. Alright, to blur radius, like to blur out that stroke line, that stroke there, to blur it out. That's what blur radius does. Okay, so that's for shapes. While for Bezier tool, okay, Bezier, what Bezier does, like, okay, let's say you want to design a logo for a client, okay, and what you did was that you sketched the logo out on a piece of paper, or your drawing book rather. Okay, you finish sketching the logo out on your drawing book. Okay, so what you do next is you import it to your Pixellab. Alright, you will lock it. Then this Bezier tool will help you trace that logo you designed. Okay, so what you do, use the Bezier tool to trace the logo you designed. Okay, so I'll do a separate video on how to use the Bezier tool entirely. Let me not prolong this one. Alright, so Bezier tool, so it's arrow, you can see different arrow there. So yeah, I've explained all about this sector. So I already explained draw. Okay, remove background, that was that transparent background I explained in the previous part. Okay, to save as project, let me go and explain that. Now, how to save your image as project, because every time you want to design, you should remember that you should always save as project, just in case maybe you want to make any correction to it. Alright, so you just tap on it. You can see the save icon here. What you just do, you just tap on it, tap on save. You can see save as image, save as project, save as project. Sorry, tap on save as project. Now you put the project name. So anytime try saving, don't go saving your project name with something like this, or something like me. Yeah, I used to do it most times. I did before, but for easy, how would I put it? Well, you can let me just say for other limits, so it will be easier for you to find your project in case maybe a client comes back and requests for it, and maybe you don't have it again. To be easier, you just ask for a client's name. So let me just say I'm using okay, intro to Pixellab. Okay, I use one as the project name. Just press OK. I'll save it. Now, if I want to view that save project, what I'll do is see this icon here. Just tap on it. Tap on it, then you tap on my projects. You can see your projects will come here. Okay, you can see some of my projects here. Like, these are not all my projects. Alright, so I switch my phone. This is a different phone. So it's just few of my projects are here. Okay, these are not my projects. Okay, so you see the project, the intro to Pixellab. Alright, so if you want to save as image, you tap on save. That same save icon at the top of your screen. Tap on save as image. You see, anything you want to save, don't save it in ultra. You see this one, the road dimensions default. You tap on it, change it to ultra, change it to PNG, then you press save to gallery. Okay, to save. Now, what you need to note, the bigger the file size, Like the more elements you put in your design, the longer time it takes to save. Okay, meaning if you put too much elements in your design, it will take a really long time to save. Like if I start putting much elements in this designer, if I want to save it and I select ultra, alright, if I want to save it, it will take a long time. Sometimes it might not even save if I use ultra. Either it will end up crashing my Pixellab. The Pixellab will just keep closing on its own. So sometimes if that can happen, either use very high or high. It depends. Alright. So I'll explain that how to save your project. Export image, I already explained that. Create memes, that was different. Alright, so I already explained everything in this feature area. Okay, so let me just go through and check what I didn't explain. So I'll know if I can just explain that. Okay, you can already know what this magnifier does to zoom in and zoom out. Maybe you want to check for some small details, you can just zoom in and tap on it to zoom out. Why this grid icon is it helps you to properly align your work. Okay, it helps keep your work in proper alignment. It's like your ruler in Pixellab. Okay, that's what this grid icon is. Alright, so full screen is to preview your image in full screen. Export image tutorial. Recover how to save. Now this is a really important aspect here. Now let's say you're designing. Okay, you finish designing, you're supposed to put some things. Then let's say you're supposed to save. I'm gonna put this. Okay, you then deleted some elements from the recent design you were designing. Okay, and let's say maybe the design was not too long ago. Like this recover to save. You see the timestamps here. Now it's currently 1:28 a.m. Okay, so if I want to recover the design, I designed by 1:27 a.m. I'll just tap on it. Tap on recover to save state. You can see. So it will just recover it for me. Alright, but it doesn't really go that far back. Just about is it the last, like how the autosave works. Each time you put a new element to your design, be it a new text or you put a new image, it always saves automatically on its own. So what you just do is this. You just tap the timestamp, like you check the timestamp of the particular project you're looking for, you just tap on it, then you recover to save. So that's as simple as that. Okay, let's just quickly rush and do one small flyer like this. Okay, let's do introduction to Pixellab. Let's change the background size to, you see image size there, you just tap on image size. Let's make it horizontal. Okay, I want to use it for YouTube thumbnail, so I'll just use YouTube thumbnail. Alright. Delete this. Okay, so this black background that we're using. Black background. Okay, so let me just import some to-dos. Okay, so I'll use introduction to Pixellab. Introduction to Pixellab. Okay, increase the size. Now I'll align it to center. Okay, I want to change the font of this. I already showed you where to change fonts, so you just tap on this font. And let me go and look for Bebas. Okay, so this is the font I want to use. Bebas more regular. Increase the size. Head to relative position, center. Okay, so color. Let me make it, I think, yellow and blue. Oh, let me just see. Yellow is okay. Okay, let me make the Pixellab blue. Since Pixellab is just blue on Play Store, make it blue. This blue is too bright. Let me use it different. Okay, so this is an introduction to Pixellab. Alright. Okay, so let me reduce the line spacing between the text. You can see line spacing here. can see line spacing. Tap on line spacing. Okay, so that's that. Let's align it to center again. Okay, I would have put my image, but let me not put on the video. And let me just go to shapes, tap on shapes, go to circle, increase it a bit. Okay, after you make, or just reduce it, stretch it out instead. Okay, so let's just make the color black. And what we're going to do here, we'll reduce the opacity of the circle. Okay, so you can see how that kind of fine effect on the introduction to Pixellab. Alright, so should I still put less flare or that? No, as I added this Pixellab icons, I'd have put them here, but I didn't download them, so I just put doodles instead. Okay, so I'll take this to back. I'm counting to be at the back of everything. Okay, copy this, place it on this other side too. Take it to back as well. Let me just remove this other one. Okay, introduction to Pixellab. Okay, so let's import lens flare stickers. Then you tap your screen, so the lens flare still there. Once you do, you align it to center, take it to back, change the color. I'm gonna leave it at white. Reduce your opacity. Reduce your opacity. Okay, so you can see these other two edges, they are really what's it called? Let's say they are vacant. There's a white space. It's too much there. Alright, so let's just put something there. So like you could put maybe like a YouTube logo or something. Stickers. I think I have that one here already. I have a YouTube or Facebook logo. Okay, I even have the Pixellab icon here, so let me put the Pixellab icon. Okay, so I'll just crop it. Yeah, I'm not sure what the eraser tool does. Let me leave some part of this. I'll use the eraser tool for it. Okay, you can see now this Pixellab. I need only the Pixellab icon, and this other icons are in the way of it. So what I'll do, I'll go to eraser, increase the size or reduce depending on the area I want to erase, and I'll erase the parts I don't need. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake there. Okay, you can see voila, that's okay. So I'll just go introduction to Pixellab. I'll blur it out the hair. I'll just blur it and place it somewhere here. Copy it again. Copy. Keep it normal. Just reduce the size a bit. Reduce the size a bit. Or should we use it to replace that what they call the P in Pixellab? No, let just leave it where it is. Reduce it a bit. Okay, so what's next? I'm going to import my music called YouTube icon here. YouTube icon. So I'll put my YouTube channel name there. Okay, then I'll just crop it out. Crop out the other unnecessary parts. Crop it out. And just keep it at the center. Text. Dannysgraphix. Okay, change the color. Let me leave that yellow too and reduce the size. Or let me leave the color black. Leave the color black. Reduce the size. Use this your position tool. Position tool to position it well. Okay, then make it bold. Bold, right? So you can see it. I would have used an image of myself, but it's just a simple design. Okay, YouTube Danny's graphics. Okay, this image, sorry, move this here. Okay, I think this is okay. I think this is okay. Let's not just let's just leave the design simple like as it is. Alright, so I think this is okay. Introduction to Pixellab. Alright, Daniel's graphics. Alright, so you just after that you just like save what's it called? Save the image as project or in your gallery if you want to save it. Okay. Introduction to Pixellab. Don't always like whenever you're designing, try to be locking your images so it doesn't disturb you while you're designing. So you lock it anytime you need it, you just tap here, then you unlock it again. Alright, so that's that. Thank you guys for watching the video to the end. God bless you. Serious project. Introduction. Okay, intro to Pixellab, just save it. Save as image. Okay. Remember Ultra. Okay, so that's that. Alright, sorry. Thank you guys again. Thank you guys once again for watching to the end. Okay, please do also subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so when I drop the next video, you will actually be the first to know about it. Alright.